Hi designers, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, we will explore Smart Animate and after delay. The prototype are using designers for testing our ideas or also it's help to create a seamless user experience when user navigate across our product or services. So what's the purpose of the Smart Animate and how we can create a nice or intuitive interaction design using after delay. So let's get started. So now you can see if I want to add a smart animate or any interaction, Figma has produced two type of modes. One is design and another is prototype. So we are in design mode. So if I want to shift from design to prototype, I can use Shift plus E. Also, you can use your mouse from design to prototype. Now this is our frame. So Figma produce interactive design. You can see this is our what action would need to navigate this frame. So tap on drag while hovering and you can see mouse over and many more. And also on the side you can see this is our navigation. So we can navigate what kind of action we needed when user has on our user interface or frame. We can navigate or we can change that variable and we can explore later, but you only focus on the frame. And then you can see here, this is our main area. You can see the instant dissolve smart animate. These are the most common prototype section we can use in Figma. So smart animate, dissolve, instant. Instance without any interaction, we can describe that. And on the other side, you can see dissolve. Dissolve, like it's faded transition. If you want to add one frame, if you want to connect one frame to another frame, so the transition would be start from the section, start from the frame and another frame. The result would be like faded transition. And last is smart animate. Smart animate look for matching layers that exist across multiple frames. So you can see I'm just converted them into smart animate. You can see it here. Then I'm gonna create a ellipse and the color I'm gonna select my green, favorite green, and name them circle and convert them into component. Now I'm gonna duplicate this frame and also copy and paste here, and we can create a bouncy. Now I'm gonna shift design to prototype and I'm gonna create and a smart animate. Now you can see if I hover over on the component, the matching layers indicate these are our matching layers. So we can create a smart animate using the name component is very important in creating smart animate. You can see if I am hover over here with under in the component set component and with same layer and a component, you can see if I am hover over the remaining instance component uh, reflecting we are the part of this frame. So you can see it here, and we can just create a random. Instead of tab, I'm going to use after delay and millisecond. 1 millisecond, and it's like linear, one frame to another frame, and constantly it's working out. Then I'm just gonna present the prototype. You can see here it's browsing. So instead of instead of component, it's really hard to create a realistic prototype. But within the component, it's really helped to create very realistic interactive design in Figma. So for a change, I'm just going to create another after delay effect. So for that, I'm just going to create a ellipse over here. And I'm going to create a nice, using my shift key, then you can see the proportional ellipse. Before I change, I'm going to select red instead of green. And you can see here name ellipse 1. Instead, I'm going to select 1 and a copy and paste it over here. And I'm going to change 3, also 4, and just change random name. So you can see the difference between adding proper name and the inappropriate name. So I'm gonna just align them. We can create a bouncy effect we just created over here, but this time we don't use any component, and also we are not any concerned about the name, proper name for the our elements. So you can see the end result would be like, so we have already, I'm just gonna shift from design to prototype, you can see. So I'm just gonna present. We have just created everything using our after delay. We can just create bouncy effect. We have just create over here the same, exact same. So instead of 100 millisecond and everything 1 millisecond, you can see over here. So let's play the game. Now you see both are different when we are using proper name and a component. This is our just without, we just created without component, and also we never considered about the naming, and the result would be like this. So I'm commanding the naming. Proper naming is very important when you are creating any interaction using Smart Animate. So without name and components, the result like this, and previously we created proper name and the components create component elements. So you can see our result like this. It's very realistic when comparing to our inappropriate name. You can see here I have two type of card. One is sunny and another is rainy. You know, at the moment I'm in Dubai. Dubai has climate very hot when comparing to other country. So I wish if I would get a rainy climate like 12 degrees Celsius, then I would be much happier because everybody loves rain and the good climate to live. So Dubai has very hot climate. So you can see that 32 degrees Celsius Dubai, and when the user has using a weather app, we want to express through a visual. So if the user using weather, what's the climate? So we want to message them it's sunny with visual effect. You can see I just created a cloud and overlapping a sun. So I'm just gonna present this frame, then you can see what is exactly meaning to our users. After hitting space shift, then it will animate over the cloud over a sun. It's overlapping. You can see over here. Yeah, that means the user address or understand, okay, it's sunny. They can see the 32 degrees Celsius, and we also mentioned sunny, but they can understand rapidly using this visual. Once again, I'm just going to restart. You can see over here. So that is the best message we can offer our users through Smart Animate interaction design. That's the best use of creating Smart Animate. So, and also I have another card. You can see this rainy weather I just created, but it's not happening here yet when I reach it here. But everybody loves rain, and when before raining, we want to message them, okay, it's lightening, and mostly or eminent to about happening rain. So we want to message them through our visual. You can see over here, I'm just gonna shift plus space. So it's lightening, and maybe we can expect rain using our visual communication. So this will help to us create this kind of animation to message our users what exactly meaning over the interface design. So the interaction design will help to understand or communicate as fastly as we can using our visual. So I hope you enjoyed this video. We have covered what is Smart Animate and what is After Delay, how we can use After Delay in our Figma project, and how it's work only frame to frame. I think this is a new information on your brain. So I hope you enjoy this video, and always remember every Saturday updating new content about Figma and other UX design related tools. So stay in touch next Saturday. So happy learning. So thank you for watching. Bye.